Okay, y'all. I don't know what happened to the sound to my video. Maybe I was connected to Bluetooth, but still, usually it will record. I don't know what's going on, but in this video, as it stated in the caption, but above or below, whatever you want to call it. Um, so right now I'm packaging an iPhone 16, and I got it for like $10 from AT&T. And I've been dying to get a new camera or another phone for content. So now I got two phones, one for the O's. I got two phones, one for the hoes. But right now we was going back and forth because I told him I was giving him my iPhone 13 Pro Max. He was like, I'm getting the old phone. Why I gotta get the old phone? Then I was like, why you gotta be so ungrateful? Like, it's given to you, and you should want your woman to have the newest things. So that was a little debate we had in the car. Then he tried to open it up. The dog in the get out that toilet, Stripe. He in my freaking toilet, drinking toilet water. That dog is hungry. Oh, my bad. I had to be ghetto for a second. But yeah, now we're going back and forth because you can see it in my face. Like, you really about to be ungrateful? And y'all, my voice is about gone. Yelling at the dog, yelling at him, yelling at the kids. But it's like, what is wrong with you? You've been Android all your life. Team Android. They suck. The camera suck. It just suck. It lags. I can't do it no Android. But you can see my face expression going in on him. It's like, do you want it or you don't want it? Your woman should have the latest and finest things before you. She should look good before you at all times. So now I'm over there, woosah, woosah, woosah. I think I kept the 10 too. Because you ungrateful. But I had to pause the video because I didn't want to do it no more.
I'm not excited no more.
Like, I got so discouraged. I wasn't excited no more.
You
it
keep
was like,
leaning.
fuck this video. Fuck it.
What are you talking about?
Like, now I keep restarting and trying to put myself in a fake move. You see it? I'm frustrated. I'm tired. I'm over it. I don't want to do it no more. Ugh, child, I look like my daddy. We have our rough days, but it is what it is. It is. We have our rough days. But yeah, look at me trying to fake happy because I was trying to redo the video, but it's just like, I don't want to do it no more. Let me put a fake smile on my face, and I need to just push the content. Everything is content. I don't care where you at. If you buying a bonnet, record it. If you see a fly flying around, record it. Everything is content. But as you can see me peeling the thing off with my fake smile, I was over it by then. And yes, my face is still healing. Yes, my body's still healing.
On the camera right there.
Because I don't know the reason why I'm healing slow like this. Because the incident happened on November 31st when I got random and dragged and stabbed. But my face, oh my God, the bruise, that's RJ in the background, y'all. The bruise on my face is still healing. Like, I don't like it.
Anyway, let's turn it on.
It don't discourage me, but it's just like,
oh Lord, what's this down here?
I be tired of people asking me what happened, and I be tired of telling the story. But majority of times I tell the story because I don't want them to think he did it. I don't want them to think my man did that. No.
I guess this is the power button on this side.
No, sorry, Bob. It was an old sneaky link, and that was before my man, okay? It was before my man became my man. But yeah, it was an old sneaky link that I didn't see in 5 weeks prior to the incident. People just be obsessed and delusional and crazy. Just crazy. But yeah, you see me flagging my little new phone. Ain't little, it's the big one. And guess what? Hella content gonna be on that phone only. Don't nobody even got that phone number. So I got two phones, one for the hoes. I got two phones, one for the hoes. But y'all hate RJ's bad. Meanwhile, I think I'm gonna cut this video short because I ain't got nothing else to talk about. Other than why the hell he ain't come back in here and start my locks yet. I'm about to start my locks, y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notifications,
And I want that
like,
brand new.
comment, and subscribe,
That's why I
and
get that
turn
laptop,
on
take everything
all
off that phone
notifications.
and invite me. I keep
And to turn on all
everything off this
notifications,
phone, reset to
go
factory
to the
settings.
YouTube app, not on Google, not on Safari, not on Chrome. Go to the YouTube app,
I thought you said the Wi-Fi wasn't working.
type in Rissa
And what was it?
Quan P, RISSAQUANP, and click the bell button twice. It's gonna say all notifications, some notifications, or turn them off. Make sure you turn all notifications on. And out.